Hey guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new topic of basic French, that is the days of the week, which are jours de la semaine. So let's start with the first one. Here we have is Monday, which is lundi, lundi. Then we have is Tuesday, which is mardi, mardi. Then we have Wednesday, which is mercredi, mercredi. Then comes Thursday, which is jeudi, jeudi. Then we have Friday, which is vendredi, vendredi. Next comes Saturday, which is samedi, samedi. Then we have Sunday, which is dimanche, dimanche. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.